Welcome to Astro Venture, the DSLR astrophotography channel. Hey there, Astro Ventures, welcome back. If you're a subscriber or been to this channel before, you know that for the last 5 months since we started this channel, I open every video with, this is the astrophotography channel for DSLR and mirrorless camera bodies. And it's taken quite some time, but today we hit 500 subscribers, and we at Astro Venture want to thank you, the subscribers that have gotten us here. It's taken some time. We're in a very small, niche of an area, those of us that do this astrophotography thing, and to get to 500, wow, it is so appreciated. Now, as we move forward for our next 500, or towards our next 500 subscribers, I wanted to tell you about some of the great stuff that we have planned for the future. One, we'll be taking a look at doing more with editing. We will also be doing a bit of a deeper dive into some of the software that we use here for the editing, as well as some of the planning software that we use before heading out to a shoot, because everything with this astrophotography, is all about that planning and what you put into it, because for so many of the targets we go after, you simply can't see them. Additionally, we'll be looking at some, different gear and equipment that we use, and some of it you haven't seen. For example, some of the equipment we use for packing our equipment, we'll be looking at that. Additionally, we're going to look at how much farther we can continue to push our star trackers through the use of an ASI Air, an awesome tool. But you know what? As we've grown and learned to use this, it's not necessarily for everybody. So that'll be something coming in the future. We'll also be looking at the expanding of some of our equipment that we use for taking our astrophotography to a whole nother level. Now, with that said, we intend to, no, I'm not going to say intend to, we are going to stay true to the spirit of what we're doing. DSLR, mirrorless, simple star tracker, and the lenses we already own. So, again, to our first 500 subscribers, thank you. To our next 500 subscribers, we look forward to having you along on this ride. And I wish you all clear skies and uneventful nights. And again, thank you to our 500 subscribers.